Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can change your theme in 3dcart. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in 3dcart and then just click here on settings in dashboard, click design and then click theme and styles. When you're here, you're gonna see it change theme. I'll just open the theme editor. You can click change theme, and here you have plenty of themes that, like, some of them will be installed, but some of them are here that you can actually choose. And what you can simply do is like choose one, and I really recommend going with like white one with white background, don't with the black, don't go with the black. And there are plenty of them that you can choose from, so I don't know, probably choose this one, and you can like clone this theme, apply the theme, and yeah. Voila. Then I will click customize theme. And here we go. This was the last one. This was the new one. So that's pretty much how you do it. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be happy to help you. And yeah, goodbye.